Thanks, student. Welcome back in this class. I hope you are healthy and safe at your home. This is the class 9 subject social science, and today we are going to discuss chapter number 4 of geography, and the topic name is climate, and this is the lecture 1. Student, this chapter we will cover into 4 to 5 lecture, and in this chapter we will learn about the different climatic condition, different season, onset of monsoon and the withdrawal of monsoon, and we will learn about the different factors of the climate condition. So student, let's start. And firstly, today we will cover some topic. Firstly, we will discuss about the introduction of this chapter, and after that elements of weather and climate, and after that we will discuss about factors of regional variation in the condition of weather and climate, and some factors of the climate controls, and after that I will give some question in your homework. So student, let's start. And firstly, we will discuss about the introduction. And student, the climate means long term variation in atmosphere, and it includes, it refer to the sum total of weather condition and variation over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. It is called climate. It cannot change frequently. It's fixed for 30 years, more than 30 years. And weather means short term variation in atmosphere, and it can change over an area at any points of time, so it is not fixed. And weather can change at any point of time. So this is the definitions of climate and weather. Next, regional climatic variation in India. Student, in our country there are different types of variation in the climatic condition. Some area are hot, some area are cold, due to different factor. Firstly, in our country there is an overall unity in the general climatic pattern, but some regional variation in climatic condition, such as elements of weather and climate. Some elements, they affect the weather and climate. First, temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. These are the elements of the weather and climate. With the help of these elements, we can measure the weather and the climate. And next student, the world is divided into a number of climatic regions. There are different types of climatic region, and but the climate of India is described as the monsoon type. India climate is called monsoon type climate, and it is mostly found in the area of South Asia and the southeastern countries. And the word monsoon is derived from Arabic word mosim. Mosim means season. Mosim means season. So monsoon word derived from Arabic, and the climate of India is described as the monsoon time. In the climate of India is monsoon type climate, and it is mostly found in South Asia and southeastern countries. And there are different factors, they affect the condition of weather and climate, such as temperature, altitude, latitude, wind, air pressure also. Some regional climatic variation in India due to some reason. Firstly we will discuss about the example of regional climatic variation in India. In India there is much variation in the temperature of different parts of the country, even in the same season. Firstly, example of the summer day. In the summer day, the temperature in Rajasthan desert may be 50 degrees Celsius, but on the same day, it will be around 20 degrees Celsius in Pahalgam in Jammu Kashmir. Student, the hottest hottest place in India, it is Rajasthan, because the temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. But on the same day in the other states such as Jammu Kashmir, the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. So there is a variation in the temperature of the summer day. And the temperature in winter in northwestern part, more north, mostly mountains situated in northern part of the country, and northern western mountain region can go in the winter, the mountain temperature can go down minus 45 degree Celsius. And in Jammu Kashmir and the Dras is the coldest place in India, because the temperature can go down minus 45 degrees Celsius. And in a winter, the temperature in Trivandrum in Kerala, it is 22 degrees Celsius. So there is a more variation in the climatic variation in our country, in a summer season, in the winter season. Next, beta. In many areas, there is a wide variation between day and night temperature also. In the Thar Desert, in India, there are the Thar Desert is the biggest desert in our country, and the temperature in Thar Desert may rise up of 50 degree in the daytime, and the temperature in night is dropped down 15 degrees Celsius, because in Thar Desert the sandy soil also available, and sandy soil they can easily hot and they can easily cold. So the temperature may rise in during daytime 50 degrees Celsius, and then in the evening, in the night, it is 15 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, there is hardly any differences in day and night temperature, such as the nearby the coastal area and the islands area such as Andaman and Nicobar and Kerala. There are hardly any variation in during the day and night temperature. And the student coastal area also experience less contrast in the temperature. There is no variation in the day and night temperature, because they near about the sea, and there is no variation in the coastal areas. Yes, beta. Next, precipitation means rainfall. Some area get a high rainfall and some area get low rainfall, and there is a wide variation observed in its amount and seasonal distribution. Okay, and the precipitation means rainfall, and precipitation has many forms such as snow and a glacier, and the rainfall also. And the upper part of the Himalaya have three ranges: upper part, lower part, and the outer part. And the upper part of the means the Himachal, they covered with glacier, and mostly snow occur in the upper part of the Himalaya, and the rest of the country receive rainfall. Some area gets high rainfall and some area get least rainfall. And the student, a typical example, the annual precipitation varies from over 400 centimeter in Meghalaya. The highest receive rainfall state, it is Meghalaya, and they receive 400 centimeter rainfall in Meghalaya, and less than 10 centimeter rainfall in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. So there is a more variation in different area. Meghalaya has the highest rainfall and Rajasthan has the least rainfall. And similarly, most part of the country receive rainfall. Some area get rainfall from June to September, and it is called advancing monsoon time. And monsoon start from Kerala on the 1st June, and after that it enter into Mumbai, and after that it enter to in all country in the month of June to September. But the Tamil Nadu coast, when the advancing monsoon, when they retreating, and on the time of retreating monsoon, they on the Tamil Nadu coast, they get most of its rain during October and November. In the state of Tamil Nadu, they get to receive rainfall between the month of October and November. It is the variation due to the different rainy season, different climatic condition of different state. And the coastal region experience different weather condition from the interior region, and the temperature and seasonal contrast are relatively mild. Means the coastal region there is a hardly any variation during the day temperature and night temperature, and the condition the interior region also. Coastal region has the moderate temperature during the winter and during the summer also, and the rainfall also decrease from east to west. You know, the east part of the country, they receive highest rainfall in the country, such as the Meghalaya, Assam, and the Rajasthan western part of the country, such as Rajasthan, Gujarat, they receive less rainfall because situated in the western part of the country. Such difference help to create a variety due to the different climate and precipitation. Some difference have they provide they differences help to create a variety in lives of people, such as the food they eat, their and the clothes they wear, the kind of houses they use to living, and so on. Student, in Assam, houses are built on stilt, and the Rajasthan, the houses have thick walls and flat roofs, because the thick walls do not allow the heat to enter inside the houses. So the Rajasthan have thick walls and flat roof, and the Assam houses in Assam are built on still, because still allows the free flow of water. To different climatic conditions, they provide different types of living. So these are the factors, they affect the climatic condition. And student, climate control. Climate, some factors are they control the climatic situation of the country. And students, permanent factor which govern the general nature of the climate of any locations. These are the basic factor. They moderate the natural climate of any location, and it is called climatic control factors. And some factors are such as factors of climatic control, such as latitude, second altitude, third pressure and wind system, distance from the sea and the ocean currents, and sixth relief feature. These are the factors, they affects the climate's control. So student, firstly we will discuss about the latitude. And student, latitude, our country, there are many imaginary lines. Some lines are latitudinal, some lines are longitudinal, and the India lies between, and the mainland extend between latitudes such as 8 degree 4th north to 37 degree 6 north. And the latitude, it is also called the angular distance of a location from the equator. Equator divides the country into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. And the angular distance such as 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north from the equator in north to south direction is called latitude. And due to the location, due to the curvature, due to the movement of the earth, latitude changes the amount of solar energy received. On the equator we get highest solar energy, but when we go far from the equator, then the amount of solar energy has changed. So as a result, air temperature decrease from the equator toward the poles. When we go far away from equator, then the temperature decrease. So it is called latitude. Next, altitude. Altitude means it's referred to the height above, means sea level. means above the sea level. It is called altitude. And student, when with the increase of height from the earth's surface, the temperature decrease and air become less dense. Temperature due to the height from sea level, and the temperature decrease and air become less dense. Air also become less dense. So the hilly region are cooler in summer. Hilly region mostly found in the mountain area, and hilly region are cooler in summer due to the high altitude. Next, pressure and wind system. And it depends, pressure and wind system also depend on the latitude and altitude of a place. And low pressure go to the high pressure, thus it influence and the temperature and the rainfall pattern of the area. So the temperature and the rainfall also affect or impact on the pressure and wind system. And continentality or distance from the sea. Continentality means distance from the sea, and the continentality means more hot in summer and more cold in winter season. Student, the sea also affect the climate, and sea exert a moderating influence on the climate. As the distance from the sea increases, moderating influence decrease, then weather condition become more extreme. When we far away, when we more distance from the sea, so the climate also affected. And this is the condition of the continentally, means the near about the sea, very hot during summer and very cold during winter, because the sea water is easily hot and easily cold. So the sea also impact on the climatic situation, and it is provided continuity means near the sea area, very hot during summer area and very cold during winter, so it is called continuity. Ocean currents along with onshore wind. Ocean currents means the movements in the ocean, and the ocean currents are warm and cold, and they affect the climate of coastal area. For example, cold winds, they brings coolness in the coastal area, and the hot onshore currents, they bring hotness in the coastal area. So the ocean currents also affect the climatic control. And next, relief features. Student, in our country there are different types of relief features, such as a mountain and the desert, coastal area, peninsula, plateau. So student, relief feature, it include high mountain. High mountain protect us as the barrier for the cold and hot winds. And the hot winds and cold winds, they are coming from other countries, and these high mountain may also cause rain or snow if they are enough high, because they protect us from cold and winds and lie in the path of, the mountain lie in the path of bearing winds. They control the wind system also. And the leeward side of the mountain are dry, means where the opposite side of the mountain, where the mountain barrier the rain system, so the leeward means the opposite side of the mountain are dry, means the opposite side of the mountain season area, they did not get a rainfall, so the leeward side of the mountain are dry. So these are the features of the climatic control, such as latitude, altitude, pressure and wind, ocean currents, and relief. And after that, the factor affecting India's climatic latitude. Student, first we discuss about latitude. In India's climate, they affected by the latitude. And latitude and the India latitude between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 north. And the Tropic of Cancer divided the country into two zones, tropical zone and subtropical zone. Means above the part of the 23 degree and half, above the part of the, it is called subtropical zone. Okay, and the Tropic of Cancer divide the country into two part, tropical zone and subtropical zone. And you know student, the equator also divide the country into two parts. Upper part is northern hemisphere and the below part is called southern hemisphere. And the Tropic of Cancer situated in the equator from 23 degree and half, it is tropical zone, and above the 20 degree and half, it is called subtropical zone. And the latitude lines means the imaginary lines from run, the imaginary lines are latitudinal lines, and these lines runs from Run of Kutch in west and the Mizoram in the east, and all the remaining area north of tropic lies in subtropics. All the remaining area means the north of tropics, the above part, it is called subtropic part. And so India's climate has characteristics, means the India's climate, it is also called tropic and subtropical climates because of the latitude. And student, next Peter, altitude. Altitude means the height from the sea level. And you know mountain in the northern hemisphere means the mountain in the north of India have an average elevation of about 6,000 meter, means the minimum height of mountain, it is 6,000 meter. And you know Mount Everest height is 8,848 meter. And the coastal as the islands maximum elevation is 30 meter, means on the sea level, the coastal area and the island such as the height is 30 meter. So it depends on the height of the mountain. And the Indian subcontinent experience milder winter as compared to the Central Asia, means in the India, the Central Asia, the Central India, they have average winter as compared of the subcontinent, because the Himalaya protect us cold winds and the hot winds, because Himalaya which prevent the cold wind from the entering the subcontinents. Many hot winds and cold wind, they are coming from the subcontinent, but the Himalaya, elevation of Himalaya, they protect us from a cold wind. So in the Central Asia, there are milder winter as compared of the subcontinent. Okay, so these are the parts of factors of India's climate, such as latitude and altitude. And by this factor, we can assume the climatic condition of a country. And student, today your homework, firstly revise chapter 4th of geography, or the chapter or the topics such as climatic factor and the factor affecting the weather and climate, and find out such questions answer. First, what are the elements of weather and climate? Question number 2, what is the variation of annual precipitation in India? And question 3, why the houses in Rajasthan have thick walls and flat roofs? And question number 4, name the coldest place in India. And question 5, why houses in Assam are built on stilt? And question 6, differentiate between climate and weather. And student, all questions done in your fair notebook. And thank you.